Hello everybody, today I'm here with my fifth alternate model of the 42065, the LEGO Technic RC Track Racer that I designed for the 2017 assortment. And this time it's a bit unusual, so after a robot and a racing tracked vehicle and two animals, I'm here with a battle mech, because as you know probably, I'm sucker for the mechs and I like building them, and I just thought, why not trying to do from such a limited amount of parts something that resembles a mech and drives on the tracks instead of walking. First I'm gonna take you through the non-motorized features of this model. So you can angle this cannon, you can turn it from side to side and angle it up and down. You can of course rotate the upper torso, and the range of movement is pretty good since the cables actually are led through the section where the turntable is attached, or where the torso rotates. You can as well spin and move this cannon from side to side. The missile launchers over here do not do anything, they're just for the decoration. If you want to, you can change the angle of the antenna, and you can as well open the cockpit to reveal the pilot seat over here, and you can just simply close it like so. And of course the main functions are the controls of the tracks that you can control remotely using the remote that came with the set. Nothing super complicated, you just have a very simplistic direct drivetrain to each of the tracks, and you can turn the battery box on like this, and if I press the left button, I'm controlling the left track. If I pressing the right button, I'm controlling the right track. What is kind of funny is that when the mech spins, the torso slightly follows, so it's automatically moving in the direction of the rotation, and it goes back and forth without any problems, since the center of gravity is lying approximately above the center of the undercarriage. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit more driving in the open space, and that's it. So that's all from my side. Hope you guys liked the model, and let me know in the comments what you think. Of course I'm gonna make a tutorial, but you have to give me some time because there are other models that are still waiting to have the instructions made. And in the meantime, take care, and if you haven't clicked the subscribe button at the top at the end of the video, and until next time, bye bye.